Hey guys, welcome back to Smash and Bash RC. I'm sitting back here in the dungeon with my new best friend, this guy. Oh yeah. If you guys can read, pretty sure you know what it is. It's the EXP version. Don't gotta give it really a big introduction because everybody pretty much knows what truck this is. But for those of you that don't know what it is, that's the Arrma Kraton EXP. Kraton. This was the roller version, which pretty much means it came with no electronics. What I got running with it for a transmitter is the DX5 Spektrum. Oh! Gotta watch it, it's trying to take off on me. I'm running a hobbywing Max 6 combo in there with the 1650 kV motor, 22th pinion on there. I got an OMG servo in there's the 36 kilogram. I think it hits up to 414 ounces, I do believe. I gotta read the manual again, forgot. Been running a 6S pack on it from HRB. So I'm gonna get this car ready, take it out for a nice little bash. Ah, that bad boy is gonna move. Looking forward to getting that out. See you when I get out there. Good one.
Turn it on.
Oh, it's not on yet?
No, but can you... Can you see what I'm looking at? Is it good?
Yeah, it's perfect.
That's good, kid.
So I got the Kraton EXP out for its first one. Got it in a spot we've never been. It's a local park area, and this is its first run. So here we go. On my ramp too. Not used to be yet. Just got it. First run. Run, run. Right there.
Look at me. Stop! Tighten the tires before they fall off. Why didn't you just drive it with you? It would only make sense. Here. Oh.
Use the brake. They're just running into me.
Drive the car. Let me know if they're loose.
Very good. That one seemed a little bit looser than the rest, but wasn't ready to fall off.
Sorry.
What about this way?
No.
Why not?
You're scratching the van.
Oh, am I?
No, I don't know.
It would have been awesome if it landed.
Yeah.
You want to give it a pull?
No, my finger hurts. Yeah.
Really? Seen something fly off. It's broken? What the hell? I guess that wraps that up. Wow. Shocked. Really shocked because I didn't think a hit like that would actually break this truck. That shocked. Just shocked. Literally shocked. Wow. Wow. All I can say is, well, I don't know what to say. Wow. Anybody else have that problem with that rear link just breaks that easily? Because I don't find that very hard of a hit. Especially since this is an EXP and they're supposed to be tough. A good note, the wing didn't rip off like I've seen on other people's cars. But yeah guys, this wraps up this video for now. I'm gonna get that part ordered up and bring on a couple other new cars I got at home. I got the Outcast EXP and I got the Sledge. So stay tuned for those videos dropping soon too. See you guys in the next video.